Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Laravel and Symfony. Laravel and Symfony are two of the most popular PHP frameworks, each with its strengths. Laravel is a popular PHP framework that makes web development easier and faster. It has a clean and simple syntax that's easy to learn even for beginners. With built-in tools for routing, authentication, and database handling, you can build full-featured apps without extra hassle. Laravel uses Eloquent ORM, which makes strong with databases smooth and readable. Its Blade templating engine helps you build dynamic pages quickly. The Laravel community is large and helpful, with tons of tutorials and packages. Symfony is a powerful PHP framework made for building large and complex web applications. It's known for being stable, secure, and very flexible. Unlike some simpler frameworks, Symfony gives you full control over how your app is built. It uses reusable components, which means you can pick just what you need or build a custom system from the ground up. It's a bit harder to learn, but great for long-term, enterprise-level projects. Symfony is also the foundation behind other popular tools like Laravel. Overall, Laravel is better for quick development and ease of use, while Symfony is better for large, complex, and highly customized applications. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.